Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're gonna be developing system tools 1.2 because it's like a little bit of a bug where like it's not anchored properly and stuff. So we're gonna be developing 1.2 today, and the about box and some more features to system tools. I'll leave the link in the description for you to go and download the version. But yeah, I gonna call this system tools and this link. So oh wait, yeah, okay, never mind. So then the icon is going to be, don't worry, I credited the icon. The icon is going to be that, and here this is going to be the URL to go and get the latest version and stuff like that. So this is going to open form 7. So form 7.show, and there's going to be a button, and I'm going to size this and make it bigger, and the text is going to be that size, and it's going to say OK. So that's going to do me dot close. Guys, I will let me just quickly bold this our progress. I'll be back now. I'll see you now. I'll see you now. Don't worry, guys, I'm back. And yeah, this bold the solution, and let's see how far we've gotten so far. It doesn't look like it's doing this properly. So let me go to form 1. This is gonna go in the. This is gonna anchor in the top left. Same with this. And same. This is going to anchor the same, and yeah. This quickly see our progress. There we go. It's done, and there's system tools. About it hasn't been coded yet, but yeah, don't worry. There it is. And yeah, so that's gonna be our progress right there. And then we're going to go to there, and I think it was form 6 dot show. Form 6, yes, it was form 6. So let's see, and maybe wait. Let's look about an OK. Okay, it's going to be form 6 dot close. and then okay, so then we must use me instead. And this C, there we go. And then let's go to this link over here, and there so I need to, okay, just wait. We need to actually enable, I actually forgot, we have to enable script errors, suppress for the web browser of this over here. This see our progress. Okay, it's not gonna save here. Start. And then let's go to this link over here, and there it is. I think that's all I actually want to add for now. Yeah, before I go, I actually think in over here we want this to use this cursor when it goes to here. So let's see our progress. Wait for that to go. As you can see, it's using that cursor. And also, I think maybe you'll need to do I'm gonna make this about this size over here, and then the text is going to be copyright. I'm gonna get the copyright symbol here. Keep that open. The copyright symbol 2019. Copyright TPS TM. And then yeah, that's it there. TPS TM Enterprises Inc. or right reserved. Let's make this text that size. And then we need to make it go to Control C, and then what we need to do is we need to make a link label over there. And then make a new Windows form and get that icon. System tools. That. And then that. Script errors, and the URL is that. And then let's say that's form 8 form 8.show. And let's see our progress. About, okay, just wait, that was a mistake. Okay, about, wait, about, as you can see, it has that cursor, and it says what we wanted it to say, and then this must open here. And then there is the website, and yeah, then you know what this does, it takes you to that, and it closes there. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please go and please like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to never miss another video. And yeah, that has been today's video. Goodbye.